Hola, hola amigas y amigos, bienvenido a un otro video. Me llamo Anaya, soy tu mejor amiga española y vamos a empezar una aventura nueva. If you are new to my channel, I am a Black American living in the United States, documenting via vlog my travel adventures to Spanish-speaking countries. The first one was Costa Rica, which may still be in the works edit-wise, but I am actually live trying to update in real time my second adventure, which is going to Panama. We're going to visit Panama City. It's literally the day of. I'm trying to just give you guys a little taste of everything. If you're brand new to my channel, follow me for all things learning Spanish, learning English, or vlogging style with Spanish and English for beginners or Americans learning English or Spanish.